We'll guide you through how to enable Google Drive offline access so you can work on your documents without an internet connection. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the page and click on it to access the Settings menu. In the Settings window, you'll see an option labeled Offline. You need to check the box next to Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. This enables offline access for your Google Drive. It's important to note that this feature works best with the Google Chrome browser, so if you're not already using Chrome, you might want to switch to get the full benefits. Once you've enabled offline access, Google Drive will start downloading your most recent files to your device. This process might take a little time, depending on the number and size of your files, so be patient. For a smoother experience, it's a good idea to ensure you have enough storage space on your computer. Now, whenever you're offline, you can go to drive.google.com and access your files as if you were online. Keep in mind that any changes you make will be synced to the cloud once you're reconnected to the internet. If you ever want to disable offline access, you can simply uncheck the box in the Settings menu. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.